Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of MS Word course, I'm gonna teach you how to add charts and how to add screenshots in your MS Word document. So let's get into the video and learn about this more. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my MS Word software. This is the blank sheet I have taken, right? And I'm in the Insert tab. You'll be into the Home tab. You have to go to Insert tab in order to add charts, right? So here in the illustration option, basically illustration option bar, you'll be able to see these two options. The first one is chart, and then we have screenshots, right? So I'll be teaching you about screenshots later, but first let me start with charts. So if I click on the chart option, I'll be able to see this kind of option, and the same you will be able to see right in your screen. Now we do have tons of options over here. You can use any type of chart, whatever you want. The simplest one is column chart, which is the most popular one. Then in the column chart you can use different type of designings as well, right? So this is the clustered column, then we have stacked column, then 100% stacked column, then we have 3D clustered, 3D stacked, 3D 100% stacked. So these are the 3D options and few 2D options as well, right? And same we do have in different chart styles, right? We do have line, we do have line chart. Then in line chart we do have different designs, some 3D options as well. And then we do have pie chart, bar chart, area, scatter chart, map, stock, surface. So every type of chart which is available in the market is available in your MS Word software as well, right? This is the 2019 version, and if you are using the earlier version, you'll be able to get almost all the types and designs in your earlier version as well. You don't have to worry about it, right? But you have to note one thing, that the option which is here in the insert option, you might find in your earlier version that this option is not available here, but you'll be find it in the insert tab itself, right? You just have to go to insert tab and you'll be able to find the chart option, right? Now I'm not gonna show you how to create every type of chart. I'm just let's take the most common one, which is the most popular one as well, column chart, right? So in column chart, let's take 2D one, and we'll, after creating that chart, we'll transform that 2D into a 3D one, right? And I'm taking 2D because I can show you how I can change this 2D chart into 3D after selecting it, after creating it, right? So I'm taking the 2D chart, simple. Now once the chart gets appeared, you will be able to see a small Excel window as well. And why Excel window is here? So that you can add the data which you want to show into in your chart. You have to add the data in this Excel sheet, this small Excel window, right? Now let me just add the data. Let me pause the video. Now as you can see, I have added the dummy data here. I do have 4 stores: shop 1, shop 2, shop 3 and shop 4. And I have added the appliances: fan, heater and LED TV. So now as you can see, in shop 1 I have added the number of sales here. If you want, you can change the name here as well. Let me write sales chart, right? Simple. And let me just resize it. Otherwise, if you want to add data, you can just double click here in the top of your Excel sheet, and it will be expand like this, right? So I don't want to add the data, more data, right? Now as you can see, we do have shop datas, that in shop 1 fan sale is around 40, then heaters sale is around 20, and then LED TV sale is around 30. And same goes with different my other stores, right? So that's how you can create your chart, right? Now as I've already told you, that if you want to add more data, this is only 4 serial number, but if you want to add, you just have to scroll it and you'll be able to see countless numbers, right? So you don't have to worry about it, that how much data I'll be able to add here, right? This is powered by MS Excel itself, so you don't have to worry about the data. Now if I click anywhere, you'll see that Excel sheet is not gone. You have to close it so that the Excel sheet can go, right? And when you click here, you'll not able to see the sheet again. And how you can edit, let's say if you want to edit the data, how you will be able to edit that? You have to go to this option, edit data. You have to click here, and the same Excel sheet will appear again in front of you, right? So let me just close it. This is the edit data option. You can do it, edit data and edit in Excel. You do have two options, right? So by default it is set on edit in Excel, right? If you want to edit data here, you can do that as well. You don't have to worry, right? Now again, select the chart, and once you select the chart design tab will be appear in front of you. Here you can design your chart according to your preference, right? You can change the colors, you can change the designing, you can change the format, everything you can change, right? Even if you want, you can change that chart type as well. You have to click here, and the chart the same format will be appeared in front of you, where you can select the chart whatever you want, right? But make sure that you are using the same chart which can show all the data which you have added into the chart. Right now we do have only three data: fan, heater and LED, right? Let me close this. Now this is the option where you can change the styling and the designing, right? We do this is known as chart styles, right? If I click here, we do have different kind of designs, as you can see here, right? So these are the designings you can choose after creating your chart, right? We do have different layout options as well. Here we do have the layout, like if you select this one, this kind of data you'll be able to see. Then we do have other different styles as well which you can choose, right? Now if you want to add any element into your sheet basically, so you can use this option as well. And this option obviously says that add chart elements, so you can add extra elements into it, right? Now if I want to make it 3D, either I can go here directly and select any 3D option which is available here. Let's say I'm choosing this one and hit the OK button. You'll be able to see that it is now changed into 3D, right? Now if you want to change the color, you can do that as well. If you click here, you'll be able to select any particular preset color scheme. As you can see here, these are the preset color schemes, right? And let's say you want to change the color of these bars manually, then you have to go to home option. Then you have to select the bars, right? You can select these three bars one by one. So these four bars, sorry. So I've selected this one, and let me just select the yellow color. Oops, let me select it again, and now you have to go to format, right? Here you can do more customization with your bars, as you can see here. Then I want to make this red, then I want to make this one blue, like this, right? So that's how you can fill the colors. If you want, you can do some extra 3D effects here. If you want to add some extra effects, you can do that as well. Then we do have few options over here. This one is chart elements with the same which we got here, right? Then we have this chart styles. So here we get some extra chart styles, as you can see, right? This one is also looking good, this one is also good, right? So you get these different kind of styles, different kind of colors you can choose. Then we have this filter option. Basically, if you want to filter out the data, you can do that as well, right? And then we have wrapping layout, basically, right? If you want to wrap, basically I've already shown you these options with our images, right? So same goes with this chart as well, right? So that's it about the charts. Let me just close this. Now the charts are done. Now let me go back to insert, and let's talk about the screenshots. So screenshot is basically, it is not like you have taken a screenshot and you can paste it like here in this document, right? Screenshot is about the windows which are available. Basically, windows which are open in your desktop will be available as a screenshot. As you can see here, this is the window available here. Let me show you. This is the window, right? And same window get pasted here, right? And you can do it multiple times as much as you want. You just have to go to insert option, go to screenshot, and you'll be able to see all the windows available, basically all the windows which are open right now, right? This is my screen recorder software, so here we do have this option as well. So I hope you understood how you can use chart option and screenshot option in your MS Word. And if you learned from this video, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe and like button. If you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.